Hello everyone. Welcome to the Science School. Today we will learn about Elastic Network Interface, ENI. What is an Elastic Network Interface, ENI? An Elastic Network Interface is a virtual network interface card that you can attach to an EC2 instance within a VPC. It provides networking capabilities to the instance, allowing it to connect to the network. It's a software-defined network interface that acts like a physical network card. ENI attributes. Private IP addresses. Every ENI has a primary private IPv4 address assigned from the VPC's IPv4 address range. This is the main private IP address used for communication within the VPC. ENIs can have one or more secondary private IPv4 addresses. This allows an instance to have multiple private IP addresses, which can be useful for hosting multiple services or applications. Elastic IP addresses. You can associate one elastic IP address, a public IPv4 address, with each private IPv4 address on an ENI. MAC address. Each ENI has a unique media access control, MAC address, which is used for identifying the ENI on the network. Security groups. ENIs are associated with one or more security groups, which act as virtual firewalls. Security groups control the inbound and outbound traffic to and from ENI. Description. This is a field that allows you to add descriptive text to the ENI to better keep track of its purpose. What is a default ENI? A default Elastic Network Interface is the primary network interface that is automatically created and attached to an EC2 instance when it is launched within a virtual private cloud, VPC. It serves as the instance's primary network connection, enabling it to communicate with other resources within the VPC and, if configured, with the Internet. Within the instance's operating system, this default ENI is typically designated as Eth0. Does AWS provide the functionality to create elastic network interfaces, ENIs? Yes, you can create an ENI independently of launching an EC2 instance, and then attach it to an instance later. When creating an ENI, you specify the subnet it will be in and configure settings like security groups and private IP addresses. Can we attach multiple ENIs to a single instance? Yes, you can attach multiple Elastic Network Interfaces, ENIs, to a single EC2 instance. However, there are some important considerations. Instance type limits. The number of ENIs you can attach to an instance is determined by the instance type. Different instance types have different limits. Primary ENI. Every EC2 instance has a primary ENI F0 that is automatically created and cannot be detached. Secondary ENIs. You can create and attach additional secondary ENIs to the instance. Why multiple ENIs on a single instance? Separate network segments or subnets. Multiple ENIs allow an instance to reside in multiple subnets within a VPC or even in different VPCs, though this is less common and requires specific configurations. This is crucial for scenarios where you need to isolate traffic, such as separating public-facing traffic from internal private traffic. High availability and failover. In some high-availability setups, a secondary ENI can be used to facilitate failover. If a primary instance fails, the secondary ENI can be quickly attached to a standby instance, minimizing downtime. Also, moving an ENI is faster than reassociating an elastic IP. That's all, folks. See you again. Bye.